Hello, this is Leah here and welcome to our channel. So today we are going to discuss about my money plant care. Now I think most of all people who are into gardening may love to have a money plant in their garden. But it's not that easy if you are not caring them properly. There are actually many methods to grow money plant, and I'm using the most effortless and successful method, especially for those people who loves money plant as hanging. As my hanging pot get broke frequently, I thought to change the potting mix to reduce the weight. Before I used to take soil, cocoa peat, and compost, but now I changed that by avoiding soil completely. Instead of that, I'm taking 60% of cocoa peat and 40% of compost, which is having a lot of benefits like fast root developing, fast root growth, good drainage, very less weight, keeps the soil moist, not wet. Um, so as you can see, I have two types of money plant in my hand. One is like the normal one, and the other one is golden money plant. I have actually tried with the normal one only first. I have got a good result. Then only I moved on to the golden money plant, and it also gave a good result. Then only I understood this is the most successful way to grow money plant. So as you can see, this plant is just 3 months only, so you can feel the growth, I think. Then when you come to the watering, money plant actually doesn't need daily watering. You need to water them only after the upper part of the potting mix is dry, and water them until the excess water drain out of the pot. Don't overwater the plant, it cannot survive in wet condition. Then about fertilizer, actually first 1 month you don't need to put any fertilizer as we have already added in the potting mix. After 1 month you can start doing fertilizer. You can use either organic fertilizer or NPK. NPK should be in the exact quantity. When you use NPK, actually I don't want to recommend for NPK. That may lead to, actually the quantity is excessive, means that will lead to the death of the plant. Always prefer organic fertilizer. So about sunlight, actually I never kept in direct sunlight. Keep them in shaded area where they get bright light whole day. Actually this plant I just planted 2 weeks before, and they started growing. I mixed both the plants, so it will be looking beautiful once it is grown. And what else, you can I can show you the potting mix. It will be in black color because of the cocoa peat, and I have added vermicompost. Actually during rainy season you should avoid fertilizer. Fungus will come and it will spoil your plant. I don't want to recommend fertilizer during rainy season. Then I have grown them in water also. This is actually very easy method to grow, but it won't come like bushy, and they don't need any much care also. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Keep supporting. Thank you. Bye.